Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a very interesting and useful topic, remote desktop. Have you ever wondered what it is and how it can benefit you? Well, keep watching to find out. Let's start by defining what remote desktop is. In simple terms, remote desktop is a technology that allows you to access one computer from another, even if they are in different physical location and connected via the internet. This means you can work on your home computer as if you were in front of your work computer, as long as both are powered on and have an internet connection. Sounds useful, right? Now, let's talk about why this technology is so valuable. Remote desktop allows you to make the most of the resource of a remote computer, saving cost and enhancing security by bypassing intermediaries. This makes efficient remote collaboration possible, making teamwork easier no matter where you are. Let's look at some specific applications of remote desktop. Technical support. One of the most common applications is providing technical support. It allows an expert to access your computer to troubleshoot issues, saving time and resources. Remote work. Employees can work from anywhere securely, benefiting both to the company and the workers by improving productivity. Distance education. It is also used for remote teaching. Teachers can access student activities in real time, facilitating online education. To use remote desktop, you need several key elements: an internet connection, a compatible communication protocol, and remote desktop software on both computers. Additionally, make sure that both the host and client computers are powered on and not in hibernation or turned off. There are two main ways to establish a remote desktop connection: through the operating system and through the web. The second option is usually easier and more versatile, as it doesn't require complex configuration and allows for a greater number of connections. It is important to note that remote desktop and cloud computing are distinct technologies. While remote desktop allows you to access a remote computer, cloud computing provides access to information and programs for an internet-connected device. Both are powerful but serve different purposes. Now, let's talk about some common complications: firewall issues, incorrect antivirus settings, and connection quality problems can hinder the use of remote desktop. It is essential to address these issues to ensure smooth operation. Finally, let's explore the benefits of using remote desktop. This technology saves time, money, and resources by enabling you to work from anywhere. Companies can increment their productivity and employees can enjoy a better quality of life. Additionally, it contributes to environment conservation by reducing unnecessary commuting. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of remote desktop, how it works and how it can benefit you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time. Thank you for joining today and see you in the next video.